Okay, so I want us to talk about the sun for a minute. All right, so we're going to read this book about the sun and what can live without the sun. That's what I want us to figure out, okay? So the sun is a star. It is the closest star to Earth. It is why it looks so much bigger than the other stars in the sky. The sun also looks big because it is big. It is 870,000 miles in diameter and is about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside the sun. So we could take the Earth where we live and put 1.3 million of them inside of the sun. That's how big the sun is. Right, the sun makes up 99.8%. I'm sorry, 99.86% of the mass of our solar system. So its gravitational pull is very strong. This is why the planets rotate around the sun. So look at this picture right here. The sun is this one right here in the middle. And all the planets in our solar system, they rotate around the sun. So the gravitational pull is what's holding our planet, and we rotate around the sun. And that's why our sun comes up and it goes down every day, because we rotate around that sun. And if we look right here, I see Earth. Okay, so if the sun was not here in the middle anymore, our planet wouldn't exist. Our planet would fly off and it wouldn't be there anymore because we wouldn't be rotating around the sun. So the planet wouldn't even exist. The sun is made up of many layers. The core makes up the center of the sun. The part of the sun that we can see is called the photosphere. So it has different layers in the sun because it's very, very hot. It's made up of different gases and stuff. That's why it's so hot, because the sun is actually pretty far away from Earth, but we can feel its warmth because it's just so big and strong. The sun creates energy every second of every day. We rely on the sun's heat and light. The sun makes life on Earth possible. So if we didn't have the sun, plants wouldn't be able to grow. We wouldn't be warmed by the sun, and if the sun was not there anymore, it would make the Earth really, really cold, and everything would freeze, and nothing would exist without the sun. So remember, I want everyone to remember, nothing exists without the sun. We need the sun to survive. Everything needs the sun. So remember, was the one thing that we learned today is nothing exists without the sun.